Follow the Sunnah, inshallah we will go to Jannah.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will be starting Tas-heel Fiqh, level 2. So let's get started. Lesson number 5, practical wudu. Number 1, make niyyah, intention. Number 2, read Bismillah. Number 3, wash both hands up to the wrist 3 times. Number 4, make miswak. Number 5, gargle the mouth 3 times. Number 6, clean the nose 3 times. Number 7, wash the face 3 times. Number 8, wash both arms 3 times. Number 9, make khilal of the fingers. Khilal is to pass the wet fingers of one hand between the fingers of the other hand. Number 10, make masa of the whole head. Number 11, wash both feet and make khilal of the toes. Pass a wet finger between the toes. Lesson number 6, ghusl. Ghusl means to take a bath. The whole body must be washed when making ghusl. We must not waste water when making ghusl. It is first compulsory to wash every part of the body. If any part remains dry, ghusl will not be complete. The faraid of ghusl are: number 1, to gargle the mouth. Number 2, to put water into the nostrils. Number 3, to pour water over the whole body. Lesson number 7, Salah. Salah is the most important act of worship in Islam. On the day of Qiyamah, the first thing Allah shall question us about is our salah. Once Nabi S.A.W came out of his house. It was autumn and the leaves were falling off the trees. He caught hold of a branch of a tree, and the leaves began falling in large numbers. He said, "O Abu Zar, when a Muslim offers his salat to please Allah, his sins fall off him, as leaves fall off this tree." Salah is the key to Jannah. Salah is the pillar of deen. Muslims read 5 salah in a day. The names of the 5 salah are: number 1, Fajr. Number 2, Zuhr. Number 3, Asr. Number 4, Maghrib. Number 5, Isha. Lesson number 8, the times of salah. Allah Ta'ala has fixed the time for each salah. To delay salah without a good reason is a major sin. A person who misses a single salah is like one who has lost all his family and belongings. The times of salah. Number 1, Fajr is read in the early part of the morning before the sun rises. Number 2, Zuhr is read after midday, noon. Number 3, Asr is read in late afternoon. Number 4, Maghrib is read after the sun sets. Number 5, Isha is read at night. Lesson number 9, postures of salah. One day a man entered the masjid while Nabi S.A.W was sitting in the corner. He read salah and then came to make salam with Nabi S.A.W. Nabi S.A.W returned his salam and told him to read his salah again. The man repeated his salah and returned to Nabi S.A.W. Nabi S.A.W told him to repeat his salah again. After repeating his salah 3 times, Nabi S.A.W told him to complete every posture correctly by making sure that he keeps still before going into the next posture. Nabi S.A.W also said, "The worst thief among people are those who steal in their salah." They, Sahabah, asked, "How can he steal in his salah?" He replied, He does not complete its ruku and sujood. Jazakallah. Please do not forget to subscribe to Sunnah Circle.